Hey everyone, so we're finally baling hay here with the 561R baler and 7230R tractor. The last piece of hay for a second cut, and yeah, I just want to go through a little bit how the baler's working and everything. But yeah, we're making some bales here. Oh, here comes one. We're just about full. There it is. So there you see a little wrap icon. It wraps the bale. There we go. It says ready to eject. And this one has the soft open and soft close option on the gate, so it doesn't always bang like the old balers. There I've got a camera so I can usually see my bale. And yeah, these are some thick windrows, and this baler, since it's the 561R, it's got a very big heavy duty pickup. It's like twice the size of the regular baler's pickup. It's got an extra feeder in there and everything. Now some would say maybe it would chop up the hay too much, but it seems to be doing a really good job. Yeah, like it's eating pretty good. And I'm traveling at 11 miles an hour, and it's feeding pretty fast. Here comes the bale. So you see the yellow lines, it tells you when the bale will be done right there. Helps you stop more on the dot. You've got your moisture right here. You've got net wrap gauge. And then you got your density there. And bale counter on the bottom. Sorry about the glare, but the sun is just right over there, so it's glaring a little bit. Oh yeah, average right now, it's showing me making about 44 bales an hour at this speed and with these thick windrows, so I think that's pretty good. If you could do 44 bales an hour in a 10-hour day, 440 bales, that should do it. Got another baler way out there. He's doing some dry corners, so a little hard to see. But yeah, I've got some drone footage that I'm going to put in here. So yeah, I did a little bit of drone footage. I had to fly the drone with one hand pretty much while I'm baling. I don't have another guy that flies the drone, so I did it all myself. So bear with me, the footage may not be perfect, but I will add it in here and then you can see a little bit. Now, one other thing this baler does have, which I haven't been using, it does have automation. So it will actually stop the tractor by itself, open the gate by itself, eject the bale, close the gate, and then all you have to do is move your shuttle once and then back to forward, and it will start driving again. So it works good. It's just the tractor, I feel like it doesn't slow down quite quick enough, and then letting the system do the whole process, it does work, but it sure, I feel like I myself can do it a couple seconds faster at least. So that's why I'm just doing it manually. It's just a little bit quicker. I feel like I can probably get an extra 5 or 10 bales an hour if I do it myself. So yeah, subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment, what you want to see, what you want to know, and we'll see you next time.